Turn around, bedroom night creepy story. Bedroom night, 2:59 a.m. A dark, quiet bedroom, only the glow of a phone on a nightstand. The clock flips to 3 a.m. buzz. A text appears. Phone screen. Unknown number. Turn around. The person in bed, Alex, frowns. Nervous laugh. Alex, texting. Who is this? Typing dots appear instantly. Phone screen. You shouldn't be awake. The bedside lamp suddenly turns on by itself. Alex sits up, heart pounding. Bedroom buzz. Phone screen. I'm behind you. Alex freezes. Silence. A faint breathing sound. Mirror shot. Alex slowly raises the phone. In the mirror, a tall shadow stands inches behind. Alex gasps. Blackout. The lights snap off. A whisper in the dark. Voice whispering. Too slow. Bedroom. Lights on. Alex is alone. Phone on the floor. Screen cracked. Clock reads 2:59 a.m. Buzz. Phone screen. Turn around. The bedroom door creaks open. Cut to black.